What is it?
It's three.
3?
We go three.
We're going to go to 1.
We go one.
And then we go out to the beach.
Two.
Hang on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is 2. This is 2.
Let's go down to 1.
Are we on the elevator?
Yeah.
You like elevators, Harper?
Says like an egg like this. It says at the kingdom.
Sally's at the kennel.
We at the beach. We at the beach. Da da da. Da 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 da.
What are you going to do at the beach today, Harper?
The toy.
You going to do your toys?
Okay.